Hey everybody, Justin here, back with another video, and this one we're going to show how to share your site or your creation or whatever you did to a Cloudflare temporary dev link that you can share with whoever you're working with on the project. Now this video bounces off of the last video I did about how to create images and video using the build by Grok VSCode agent and then sharing those using our two buckets in Cloudflare. This is going to be a similar setup here. I'm just looking at it. I said, okay, everything looks good. And now basically I'm going to ask it to create me a Pages project in Wrangler. Now I've already logged in using the CF /CF login, which stands for Cloudflare login. And so by doing that, you'll be able to pop open a window, authorize it, and log in. I believe, we'll double check. Well, actually, what I'll go do is I will log out of my account. And then we'll do this fresh from the start. So I'm logged out of Cloudflare, so we're going to do CF login, and this is going to open up a link down here. Oh, I remain authenticated. So this is, so basically we're already authenticated. We're just going to say create me a Pages project and give me a link that I can share. And we're going to let it rip tater chip. And so it'll be able to control the command line down there. You see it running Wrangler. And now one of the human in the loop things here is that even though I have everything set here for full access, there are still some things that we want to have some control over. In this case, it's creating a new project, so we want to make sure everything's cool here. It says we're Focus Flow Site 1 is the name of the project. We're going to click enter. Enter the production branch name, that's fine, production. And then you're going to see that it successfully created the site. And now the build by Grok VSCode agent is going to go through everything. It's going to check the link. It's going to check the site. Looks like it came up with the project name and a shareable link already. Pretty quick there. 49 seconds. We like that. And the shareable link is supposed to be right here. So we'll take that link and we'll copy it. If I can copy it with my little mouse pad here. Hit the copy. Then we're going to go and we'll throw up a new tab up here. I'm going to paste that in there. And you can see, well, I might not be done with this project yet. Sometimes it takes a minute. Or did I grab the wrong link? Let's double check that. Publicly accessible. Might have got me on camera here. Oh no. I'll double check that link. Sometimes it takes a second to get there. So I don't know why it's not showing me that link. We can say double check that link. It's not working for me. And you can see you can just work with it. It's going to work with Wrangler. It's going to check everything out. Going to maybe, you know, it's not perfect all the time. It might have grabbed the dev link and not the shareable link. So you see it's working through everything. Hey, is that all cool? Okay. Oh, it was not valid. It was never actually deployed. Okay. So there you go. You guys seen it. Never actually deployed. Well, I don't think it was actually shared, so it's not that it wasn't deployed, it just probably wasn't shared. Oh, there we go. Actually, and I told you guys that it's just me. It took a minute to get up there, so give it some time. It looked like it was taking a minute for Cloudflare to start deploying the site. So that was all that was happening there. So as you can see now, you have a shareable link to your site that you can share to anybody. And now this shareable link can be updated and everything. You can add stuff to the background and you know, tell Grok to do some magic with it. So we can say what do we want to say? We can say anything, kids. We can say, and so one of the things you could do too is if you could take a screenshot of something that you don't like. So we'll just kind of kill two birds with one stone here. You could take a screenshot of the focus flow. Say, you know, I don't like that image. And then you can just paste the screenshot right in here and say, remove that image in the screenshot. And Justin should learn how to type, but you know. And so it's going through the tool call, remove the image, min files index. So it's uploading the file to Wrangler already, so it's deploying that image removed for you right away. And then it's going through its checks. So this is all by design as well. It's supposed to make sure that it's checking everything. Everything is deployed properly. And now you can see has no hero image. Right grid column removed. Tesla. And so you can start the server here. And we can scroll down to see if that image was removed. And you can see that image was removed. That hero image right there. We told it to remove. Pretty cool. And you can also go over to the browser now, wherever that thing went. Did I close it down? I must have. And we can put that new link, well, copy that new link again. New link is verified live. We're going to copy that because I did not copy it. And we're going to throw it up in here. See, this is what happens when you do it live. This is unscripted, people. I'm not scripting this. This is no AI here. And you can see now that that same shareable link there is adjusted. So, and then you can just keep working with it, working with the images, stuff like that, to add some cool images to it. Now, let's leave this up, and I'll just move it down and show you guys one more cool trick. As long as I got you on the line here, check it. We're gonna say image create me some typing. Create me an image of a industrial, or how about image of a data center room. Let's just do that. Alright, so now it's going to create the image of the data center room, and it's going to show us right there. Boom. So what we could do here now is I can say use the image of the, well, let's do this real quick, right? So we're going to we're going to view our Explorer, and we're just, I put it up here, see the Grok image. It's a pretty long name, right? So let's just rename it real quick to, I like to say BG Image 1. And now I'm going to say, take BG Image 1 out of the images. We're going to tell it to build by Grok Images folder and use it for the hero background. Add nice easy transitions between the different sections. And we're going to hit the start button. And it's just going to start going to work. And so we're going to close that back now so we can see this. And when it's done, we're just going to hit that server button so you can see it. Needs to figuring out what it's doing. Figured out where the image was, what the image is. Calling some tools to put the image in the background. Now, I didn't plan on doing all this, but it's just one way to show you cats how you can create all your building and doing everything in the Build by Grok VSCode agent. Get yourself a Cloudflare account and you will have super duper dev powers. And you just don't even have to start off big. But with a Cloudflare account, you get edge computing, you get security, you get Wrangler workers, you get databasing, you get KV stores, R2 buckets. You use all of those to build in the security of the back end of your site. You know, to build in the core security and all that. So this just doesn't span front-end dev, but also your back-end dev and stuff like that. And by keeping everything in-house, by keeping everything here, local repo, you have full control over the files and everything that go on. So if you can read a Git repo, you're cruising in here. Look at this. Deep work distractions. That looks beautiful. And then it looks like it updated the dev folder already, so we'll take that. Ran and let's see, we're waiting for it to update. Oh, let me grab the let me grab the shareable link. It must change the shareable links. Yeah, they changes the shareable links every time it updates it, which is fine. But check that out. Fuck, I mean, how quick did we did this in the time that it took to create this? And then you just keep building along. But this is a shareable link. And so what you can do here after you're done with the shareable link is I can go in my Cloudflare account and I'll post this to my tiny cabin code, and I'll do a third level domain for it. But in Cloudflare, you can put any domain now to this project. Super simple. So there you have it, everybody. Build by Grok VSCode agent, how to create a shareable link and share your links and updates using this agent and keeping everything in-house. Again, I appreciate everybody that's watching along and checking out these videos. Please leave a comment below. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Let me you know, if you got more ideas that you'd like to see what it could do, let me know in the comments. Appreciate everybody, and I'll chat with you later.